Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Guess what this video is about? Well, hello to those that haven't skipped to the end of the video to find out about the giveaway. What we have here is an interesting concatenation of circumstances which has resulted in this video. I have a favorite shirt, special. They got a stain on it, and Super Clean also happened to contact me about doing another video. So here we go. So here's my special shirt. My artist daughter made this as a Christmas present for me. You note it says, "Here to prove the situation is serious," and it's in a special font too. Go ahead and make a comment to the video and see if you can tell me what this is from, what this is a reference to. It's a nerd reference, and you'll win a virtual cookie. Anyway, if you'll also note, right here are a couple of like grease spots. Well, I noticed this and then accidentally washed and dried it, so I've set these stains. So I decided to go ahead and give Super Clean a try because it's so great at cutting grease. I'm going to go ahead and see how it does on this shirt. So the instruction sheet I got with Super Clean on a previous occasion, and yes, I read instructions. Saves you a heck of a lot of trouble. Anyway, one of the things on the instruction sheet is different things to use it for and different dilutions depending on what it is. And one of the things is, let's see if you can read it here. Get it? Maybe it's zoomed in. I don't know if it's going to be close enough. Anyway, it says laundry pre-soak. So, and that's on 16 parts water to 1 part Super Clean. All right. Well, I have some full strength Super Clean because actually I have it as 100 on this one because I actually did another dilution for something else that I didn't make a video of, and I needed to mark the bottles. But I've got an empty bottle and good old spray bottle, good old funnel, and I have. I'm going to go ahead and make a little about 1 cup because it's a handy number to use. And hey, here's a reference for you. There's 8 ounces in a cup, right? I mean, people should know that. But if you didn't know this, there's 2 tablespoons to an ounce. So there's 16 tablespoons in a cup. Well, 1 cup of water would be 16 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of Super Clean. That's the 16 to 1 that I just read about. So here we go. This isn't exactly action-packed, but hey, I'm still going to show it here. Trying to do the video and not pour this well, got a little bit more than 16, or a little bit more than a tablespoon. And let's go ahead and just rinse this off in here too. See the other spray on that, some kind of. All right, ready to go. But hey, while we're at it, let's make a special thing here. I also got a sticker in one of my previous Super Clean outings, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on here, and I'll grab a Sharpie and mark it as what the dilution is on it later. But hey, there we go. That's good. Shirt. And well, they say you're supposed to put it on the spot, but hey, I've already got stains on it, so I'm not gonna worry. And this is an old shirt, so it's probably got plain, it's not have to worry about it bleeding colors or anything. At least I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and run this through the laundry, and we'll see how it turns out. Well, let's see how Super Clean did on those stains. Well, I am so surprised. Super Clean has done so well on everything I've ever tried it on. I mean, it pulled old oil up out of concrete, the concrete driveway. It takes stuff off of circular saw blades super quickly. Well, I guess nothing's perfect. Maybe I'll give it another shot and see what happens. Yeah, I am going to give it another shot and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and mix up something twice as strong. That first solution was 16 to 1. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some 8 to 1, just a little bit of it. And let's see, I've got, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of the 100% Super Clean. Because, you know, there's 4 teaspoons. 4 1/4 teaspoons in a teaspoon. I mean, that's what a quarter means. And then I'll use 2 teaspoons of water, and that'll be an 8 to 1 solution. Here we go. And let's see here. There we go. 2 teaspoons of water. And let's go ahead and use this. Let's stir it up a little bit. I'll use this 1/4 teaspoon to apply it. And actually, I think there's actually a little bit over here too. Let's see. It's sort of unobtrusive, but still. I'm going to go, and actually I'm going to let that sit a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and wash that, see what happens. If that doesn't work, I'll try 4 to 1, and we'll go from there. Well, it looks like 100% did it. No stains. All right, Super Clean.